Friends, today I'm going to show that how to set live wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 17. Friends, to set live wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 17, first my friends, you have to open your camera. After that, if you see the live option is off from here on the camera, you have to turn on the live option, my friends, at the top right corner. Then you have to take the picture, my friends, first. After taking the picture, then my friends, you have to close it and you have to swipe down your home screen from the top left. Then you have to tap your finger anywhere on the screen, my friends, and you'll find here the plus sign. Just tap on plus sign. Then you have to tap on live photo. After that, my friends, you have to select your picture, which one you want to set as a live photo. Just tap on here. After selecting, my friends, if you want, you can close the live, my friends, from here. Just you have to tap on here, stop, the play sign at the down left corner. See, my friends, this one. Now the live wallpaper is stopped, right? If you turn on this one, see, my friends, live option is on, right? So friends, like this, if you want, you can turn off and turn on the live. After setting the live wallpaper, then tap on add at the top right corner, my friends. Then tap on set as wallpaper pair. Done, my friends, right? So friends, like this, if you want, you can set live wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 17, right? Now, my friends, if I close the screen, you can see the live wallpaper. Now I can't close. If I close this one, the recording will be stopped, my friends, right? So friends, like this, if you want, you can set live wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 17. Friends, to set live wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 17, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.